Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we got an unboxing of DIY shoes. Okay, so here it is. We got 4 diamond paintings, and we got 2 diamond painting tools. The first one is this wax, and I want to try it for the special drill. This wax pen. Okay, I don't know how good they work, but there's 2 of them. Okay, so it comes with the own sharpener. Okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna try it in one of the items over here when we get to do it. So let's see how good we'll grab the drills and put it in. At least I prepare one. I get you to do a video on how testing that. The next item is this box. This is for the purpose of putting your drills. It has the cover. God, look at this cover. They didn't even clean it up. Oh God. So I guess I'm gonna have to clean it up by myself. Okay. And then it comes with a nice spoon on both sides, and a brush. But this, if you didn't see it, look at how it came in. It's not even clean up, but serve as a cover. And what I was trying to see is these. Oh, this is cute. It has 2, 4, 6 additional compartments, and the big one for your drills. And this over here this is getting a little hard to get it open. Let's see if we can use something over here. I will open it up. Come on, I want to be able to get the drills out. According to the picture, this was open, but it's a little, how you say it, it's becoming a little difficult to open it. Okay, here we got it. Yeah, but if this is gonna be a problem, maybe it needs to, the hole needs to be a little bit bigger. I can fix that. So let's see, these ones too. Oh, this one is easier. Take a look at this. Yep, these ones are easier. Look, and they are deep. Okay, they're very deep, so you know you can close them. The one that I'm concerned most is this one. Maybe it needs to have a little big of a hole, a bigger hole. Maybe you can do this. Yep, that's much better. Much better. You see? Quick fix. And I like it. It's deep and big. And it has, you know, to stand. So, and then you can put the cover when you are doing your beads. Okay. This cover needs to be fixed. Let me see. Does he has a... Oh, okay. Yeah, it's... Yeah, I noticed that. But this could be more presentable. So, but this good. I recommend the piece. I'm gonna be using it. We're gonna do a quick whip and chat with one of the diamond paintings. Okay, and look at this. You can grab your, and this one, I wonder how long it will last. But, and these to move your, and that's it. That's neat. We're gonna try that along with the pencils. Okay, so let's get started. We got two 30 by 30 snack size and two 30 by 4. Let's start with the snack size. Yeah, this is a series that is it's called the stained glass one. Here you got the regular toolkit. You got the drills, which we're gonna see. For 30 by 30, 24 colors. That's good. That's good. That means there's gonna be a lot of nice detail on this one because it's a stained glass style. Okay, it's 24 color and all of them are letters. Nice, neat. Take a look at this, the thumbnail. And this is pretty, 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 pretty. Let me turn this light off to see. No, you won't be able to see well. So the glue is good. The canvas has some shimmer on it. The drills are clear. Okay. So this is a pretty one, a hummingbird. Let's check the drills. 24 colors, right? So let's see. Take a look at this. How beautiful. Nice drills, sparkly, round. Okay. Oh, come on. Hocus pocus. Hocus pocus. I wanted you to see the drills. Look beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. From DIY Shoes. There's some hitchhikers there. Some beautiful colors. Oh, I like this blue. And this green is beautiful. Another green. And the colors for the flower. And it's 20 there. Okay. Okay. I thought that. The blue, and these ones are for the background. They are all the same. Okay, they have the DMC code, yeah, on the side. Okay, so let's get to the next one. This is another one, a stained glass tile. You get the regular toolkit. Beautiful round drills. Okay. This one has extra cover sheet. This one is the hummingbird, but in a different way. It's kind of a series. This one has 23 colors. Look how beautiful it is. Look at how beautiful it is and colorful. Again, the glue is good. You got the shimmery in the canvas. You can see it there. This one's gonna need a lamp, but drill field is clear. And it's all letters. This one is very colorful, very, very colorful. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the drills. In part 2 of this video, we're going to test the pencil with the little box, drill box, and we're going to do it in one of the okay, 23. Let's see if we can focus on this one. Beautiful colors. Look at that burgundy. There's some hitchhikers there. Sparkly thrills. Here it is. Oh, I love that blue. Love those thrills. And then the white for the background. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Or should we leave it for the next video? You know what? We're gonna leave it for the next video. And the second part. And while we do these ones, we start one and then test the wonderful tools that DIY should send me. Okay? So I'm gonna leave it there until the next time. Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.